People State of Michigan versus Sharon Moore. Date and time set for a probable cause conference.
I've had the opportunity to talk with the prosecutor. There is outstanding discovery that we need to have before we can proceed to exam. So we're asking to adjourn the probable cause conference for 30 days to receive that discovery. And the discovery, we're talking about our phone records and Title IX documents.
Okay. Are the people going to be in possession of Title IX documents or have access to those? I guess.
It's a very good question, Your Honor.
I usually ask good ones, but
You do.
go ahead.
This court always does. My best understanding in the moment is that this is not a Title IX investigation per se. My information is coming in real time, as they also say. It was a complaint apparently to the Office of the General Counsel. I have just moments before we came onto the record been informed that there is no written report. That is my best understanding. Whether or not there is some other kind of investigative information that exists has yet to be ferreted out. That effort, that process is ongoing. Ms. Michaels is correct. The aspect of phone records are being sought. All of the evidence and discovery that we have has been furnished to defense, but the investigation is ongoing.
It's our understanding that when you just step back a touch from the actual incident, there were statements made and things done earlier that day to the U of M, statements made by the complaining witness that are going to be important to this investigation because her credibility will always be at issue and different statements she made to different people will need to be evaluated. So those statements are important.
Aren't those documents or statements that you can get on your own or?
I can issue a subpoena if the court is willing to sign a subpoena. I will send a subpoena myself, but I do know based on the police reports that the prosecutor's office is also seeking those documents.
And then once you obtain them, if you do obtain them, you're going to inform counsel or provide them to counsel. Gotcha.
One more thing, Your Honor, for due diligence sake, maybe I should submit to the court a subpoena for signature.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that if we're the go-between that it comes here and then goes out. If you submit a subpoena to the court, I will sign off on it. I guess try to get this so we get this thing moving.
Earlier today, I filed a motion to quash the arrest warrant and a request for a Frank's hearing. I have a signed copy tendered to prosecutor, and we will be asking for a hearing date on that motion.
Okay, do you want two separate dates?
I would like a date separate and apart. This motion is not determinative of those records. It is prior to those records.
So with reference to the motion, I'll have the prosecutor's response will be due by February 2nd.
Thank you.
So the motion will be set for February 17th, and understanding that depending on the result of that motion, there may be another date that is set. So probable cause conference will be adjourned to March 9th.